Hello friends, in this video let us solve one problem. Our problem is prove that 1 over 3 plus root 7 plus 1 over root 7 plus root 5 plus 1 over root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 over root 3 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now to prove this, let us take left hand side of the given expression. LHS is equal to 1 over 3 plus root 7 plus 1 over root 7 plus root 5 plus 1 over root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 over root 3 plus 1 is equal to. Now let us rationalize each and every term. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon 3 plus root 7 into 3 minus root 7 upon 3 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5 upon root 7 minus root 5. Then third term, 1 upon root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3. One more term is left, 1 upon root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Now the first bracket is 3 minus root 7 upon a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Square of 3 is 9 and square of root 7 is just 7 plus our second term root 7 minus root 5 upon a plus b into a minus b again. A square minus b square. Square of root 7 is 7. Square of root 5 is 5 plus numerator is root 5 minus root 3 upon a plus b into a minus b. Square of root 5 is 5. Square of root 3 is 3 plus now fourth term, numerator is root 3 minus 1 upon in the denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is square of root 3 is 3 and square of 1 is just 1. Therefore this is equal to 3 minus root 7 upon 2, okay, plus root 7 minus root 5 upon 2, 7 minus 5, 2, root 5 minus root 3, 5 minus 3 is 2 again, plus root 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 in the denominator, it is again 2. Now taking 2 LCM, what we get? In the numerator 3 minus root 7 plus root 7 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus 1. See, this minus root 7 plus root 7 will get cancelled with each other. This minus root 5 plus root 5 will get cancelled with each other. Minus root 3 plus root 3 will get cancelled with each other. And this 3 plus, minus 1, which is 2, and denominator is also 2. Therefore 2 over 2 is 1, is equal to RHS. The right hand side of the given expression is 1, hence proved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next video with another problem. Till then, goodbye.